This is the silver clinometer. It is very easy to use and this is very handy. Now I will say something how can we measure the attitude of the beds, namely dip, direction, strike direction and the amount of dip. This is the sedimentary strata and this is the scattered bedding. Here I will measure the strike direction. This silver clinometer have a needle and a circular scale is surrounded this needle. The clinometer will be the horizontal when the needle move freely. First of all, this is the dip of the bed. In this direction the bed is dipping. How can we understand it? Because a drop of water, when we keep it, it falls towards these directions. This is the dip directions. Now the strike will be measured. The clinometer should be set up in this way. The long is will be parallel to the strike. This is the strike and this perpendicular is the dip directions. Now I will take in these positions, then I should move this circle scale until it comes to the red line. The red needle will match the red line. Then I will see this scale. This is 246. Now this 46 is called the azimuth. Now I will draw it in a quadrant. 246. This is 90 clockwise. I have to measure it clockwise. This is 90, 180, 270 and this is 244. Now we can measure it that the strike direction should be the north 45 degree west. The dip direction may be in this and in this way. It is the totally perpendicular. Now how can we understand it? For this we have to measure the amount of dip and dip direction. For measuring the amount of dip, it's the strike direction and the perpendicular is the dip directions. For this, making this, I have to come to the west and east in this way. Then the perpendicular of the strike, I should set up this clinometer. Now it give the amount is approximately 54 degree. If I measure the dip direction, then I have to measure it in such way. And as the strike directions, I have to move the needle, and when it comes to the red line and match it, then I will keep again this scale. It is matched with 180. Similarly, I have to measure in this quadrant 180. This is 90 and this is approximately 190. That means in this way. This dip direction is southwest and the amount of dip is 54 degree. This is all about this silver clinometer.